Alright folks, I just got done replacing my belt and I went to mow. It wasn't mowing right. I'm like, what the heck? And what I did was I accidentally got these belts twisted. It's hard to see, but they're crossing right there. So I need to take this off and get it on there right. Basically, I think what's happening, my blades are turning backwards because this belt is crossed over itself. So I'm gonna uncross it and that should fix it. All right, so what we did here was we just take the screwdriver, we fit it in the hole that's inside this tensioner arm, and we pull that back, and that'll give you the slack to get that belt off the front here, untwist it and put it back on, and then you just relax your tension on this, relax this tension arm back in place. Now let's try it.